Kind of a little dark, but it's okay. Hi guys. I'll be starting the weekly reading of what you can expect. Hi, hi Devyali. Okay, so this is basically what you can expect from today till the 13th of June. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for for 2 more minutes and try not to hurt myself while I'm doing this. Just gonna wait for people if more people would like to join. So just giving them a minute or two. So the way that this spread is gone, so I just shuffled the cards because I didn't want to spend time doing that on the live. So the spread is basically going to be what you can expect, the advice from the energies, and then if you follow the advice, what can happen, right? So it looks like a pretty interesting week. So yeah, lots of things coming up. I realized I came on later than I said I would. Start planning this a little better. um, okay. I think I'll start. Okay. So, hi everyone. Welcome to the what to expect this coming week. So, currently, I feel that the space that we are in is that. So, the cards that I got is the Nine of Wands, the Sun. Okay. Tell me if the lighting is okay, yeah, guys, if you can see this. The Judgment in reverse and the Six of Wands in reverse. Okay, so these are the four cards that I got for what exactly is going on and what you can expect in this coming week. So with these cards, what I feel is that even though there are good things coming, like even though we're reaching this point of you know almost fulfillment when it comes to our passion and motivation, like even though like it is some things that we wanted is reaching fruition, and it is good, right? Because the sun is there, so it does mean that good things are going to be coming, good completions are going to be coming. But there is a time that we need to actually pause and reflect. Okay, so even though things are coming to fruition, even though all our passion and motivations are going to be positive, okay, but there is this place and space that we're in where we need to reflect. Okay, we need to kind of like if we're waiting for judgment, right, we need to stop waiting for judgment from the outside. um there could be a point of time where our emotions, which ideally would be in harmony, is not. Okay, so we need to deal with these in a way that even though we're feeling not okay, we feel that we're being a little too harsh on ourselves, we are thinking that, oh my god, our efforts are not coming to fruition, they're going to waste. That's not the case. Okay, so what, so these are the feelings that we're going to go through. So there might be times where we feel, oh my god, we're almost getting to that, or some of us may be feeling like, oh my god, I'm just so tired and nothing's really going the way that it planned, and it it seemed like it's going in the right direction, but maybe some things come up, some hurdles come up. So this is what the general next week looks like. So a lot of ups and downs. So what the energies are saying is that just pause. Okay, so I got the Hanged Man, which is, this is actually a upright card, the Five of Wands upright, and the Ten of Wands reversed. Okay, so these are the cards that I got when I asked the energies what it is, the advice that we should follow through. So with this, I feel like those moments of when we're doubting ourselves, the moment where we're not sure what's going to happen is going to be coming to an end. There are endings. All the hard work that we've been feeling drained by, like we're feeling very weighed down by, is going to change. Okay, so that is going to end. The feelings of like the heaviness is going to go. That's one. There is definitely going to be some good changes that are coming in within your passion and motivation. So just pause, okay, just pause, just reflect. There are good things coming our way. What the energies are trying to say, that even though things are going very up and down, though we're feeling very burdened, though we're feeling like we're very unsure, it's fine. Just, take a deep breath, just, hang in there, believe in yourself, just really be with yourself. Okay, so the energies are really asking you to just pause and relax, like just take some time out, whatever energy that you're having, whatever motivation that you're having, that you're trying to put into something to, get it to happen. It will happen, but you just need to be easy on yourself. You need to just be, okay? Don't be harsh on yourself. Just be very gentle with yourself this coming week, because if you do that, the cards that I got are the Four of Cups, the Queen of Cups, the Six of Cups reversed, and the Chariot. Okay, so with these cards, what I truly feel is that if you just, be with yourself, be with these emotions which make you feel very heavy, very upset, don't act on them immediately. Okay, just, feel through it, see how you feel, because if you act on it, you may shift the way that you're channeling your passion and your motivation, and you don't really want to do that. Okay, so stay with it, and when you start doing this, you're going to see a lot of harmony in your emotions and feelings. Like I really see a lot of, because these cards are all about emotions. Okay, so I really feel like, even though right now we're all over our place with our motivation, and yeah, a lot of passion and motivation is what we are feeling right now, but if we sit and pause, we will be in this space of amazing fulfillment. We're going to be really happy, like very solid. Yeah, we're going to start building foundations. We're going to be feeling stable. There's a lot of stability that's going to be coming in terms of our feelings, and that, I mean, who doesn't want to be in that space, right? So yeah, a lot of stability, a lot of nurturing, and all of this, right, will really help us align ourselves to then be moving out of these feelings of, lack of motivation all over the place, judging ourselves. It's really going to get us into this very peaceful space, right? So even though I got the Six of Cups reversed, okay, I did get the Chariot over it. So it still tells me that, what, we are still going to be moving to a place where we find harmony. Okay, where we find harmony and growth in our emotions. Because right now, things may not be seeming the best, things may not be seeming like it can change, and it's fine. It's fine if it doesn't seem like that. But the energies are saying, don't worry, just be with yourself, be in that space of feeling all the feels of, actually feeling the fact that everything that you're going, because you're so close to actually reaching this complete stage of, whatever that you are really working towards. Like you're this close. Okay, and it is going to come to fruition. That is definitely happening. But because, we're in this space of almost feeling so I mean, I won't blame you guys, because honestly that's the eclipse energies, because I'm going through that as well. So even though we're feeling tired, we're feeling very hopeless, I want to say tired, actually. I don't want to say hopeless. Like, I know that some of us may be feeling that yes, things are coming. Like, it in your bones that things are actually coming, but the outside may not be reflecting. So yeah, don't give in to that. Energies are saying, just be with yourself, pause, go through these feelings, and there is going to be change. There is going to be an end to this heaviness that you are feeling. And yeah, if you pause and you just sit with these emotions, and once these emotions end and this turmoil and heaviness leaves you, you will be in a space of creating this new foundation of, peace of harmony. You know, you're going to be in this space where the Queen of Cups is a very nurturing, feminine energy, right? So it's not like you're going to be in this very structured space, but you're going to be more in this very flowy space where you're very happy and very, peaceful. And you are going to be going there. And yeah, I really see good things coming, guys. I mean, I know that, right now things may be seeming all over the place. Um, if not, it may happen, okay? But good things are coming. So don't lose hope and just stay with the feelings. I know that, this intuition that you're feeling, this gut feeling that you're feeling, that um, yes, things are going to happen, so yeah, that's what I see, and I'm really happy about it because I myself was feeling very out of it and out of sorts, but this gives me hope as well, and I really hope it gives you guys a way of feeling better. Thanks, Ishan. I mean, I'm glad that you feel lighter. I mean, honestly, it made me feel lighter. Like this spread instantly brought like this smile on my face, even though I was just crying some time back. But yeah, there is hope, guys. Okay, don't lose hope. Just know that whatever you're working, whatever you're putting your efforts into are coming. Just be patient. Just you know pause. Just reflect. Just be in that space where you are soaking it in. You're soaking it, you're giving yourself that space, because all this motivation that you put, all this passion, all this amount that you've pushed yourself, you need to now just be, you need to just observe. Just observe what's happening, go with the flow. Things may not go out the way you want it to go, but it's fine. Right now you may think it's not going out the way you want it to go, but trust me, it's going to go so much better, and it's going to make you feel good. Okay, and honestly, that's what we need to do. Like, I know that all of us feel like, oh, only when results show on the outside is when things are actually coming together, coming to a space of things are going well. But trust me, it's what you feel on the inside that really matters at the end of the day. Okay, and yeah, you guys are gonna go into there. The Queen of Cups, man, that's a really awesome card. Like, for me, I'm really happy. Like, Queen of Cups is all about nurturing, fulfillment. 4 is about stability, building that foundation in yourself to be strong enough to then deal and then even grow, right? It, like, only when you are in harmony with your emotions and you're feeling this space of calm, can you then take things forward. Because if you're just working, you're going to reach a point of exhaustion, right? And we don't want to be there. So yeah, good things are coming this week, guys, so don't lose hope, and I will see you again on next Monday. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me during the live or even later in the comment section. Feel free to ask any questions that you may have, and I'll be happy to answer it. So thank you guys for making it to my live, and I promise to be a little more prompt next time. So yeah, 7:30 p.m. IST is when I'm gonna do this every Monday. So I'll see you next Monday. Stay happy.